Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about a new solution for nail and skin fungus called Kerassentials. I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. If you are like me, I am very prone to skin and nail problems. I had nail fungus multiple times. I'm not sure where I got it from, or if it was probably because I took too many antibiotics as a kid. I don't know. The fact is that I have been struggling with nail fungus for quite a long time. It's not painful, but it is just so ugly, and you can't have your nails done, or wear open shoes in the summertime. You get the feeling that everyone is looking at your nails, and that's kind of uncomfortable. I'm very shy and I don't want to show my face, but I really want to help people who are going through this, because I know what it's like to be in this position. So a few months ago I came across this product called Kerassentials, and I just thought, maybe it's just another product I'm gonna spend money on. Anyway, I decided to give it a try. I started using it just as recommended by the producer, and then, it was like, 1 month later I started noticing a difference. I will show you some pictures later. So fast forward to now, it's been 3 months since I am using this product, and I can say I am pretty much free from nail fungus. Around 2.5 months using Kerassentials, the nail fungus was almost gone, and I am still using it for prevention. I am honestly amazed by the results because most of the other topicals that I used before would take forever to work, if they ever worked. And this one was actually way faster than the stuff I tried before. I don't know if you know, but fungal infections usually require a longer treatment. Considering this, I think Kerassentials worked pretty fast. Everybody is different, so maybe it will take you less or more time. Here's my before and after picture. It looks pretty good, right? So now I just want to briefly mention what is in Kerassentials and how to use it. Kerassentials is a blend of oils, let me tell you, lavender, tea tree, lemongrass, almond and organic flaxseed. And there are other things too, I can't remember now. You can check in the official website all the ingredients in it. I left the link below in this video for you. Even if you don't buy, you can see all this information I'm talking about. The right way to use it. Just apply it in your nail 4 times daily. I used it every 4 to 5 hours. There is an applicator that comes with it, and you can use a cotton swab to spread it all over the nail. And, to help the product penetrate more, you can file your nail before applying it. Just a reminder, this product will work in other fungal problems as well, like when you have stinky mushy areas in between your toes. Make sure you use it this way, otherwise your results will be compromised. So this is my testimonial for you guys. I highly recommend Kerassentials, and you can get it in the link below. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee. It is enough time to try it, and see if it works for you. Otherwise you just get a refund, no problem. It worked for me, so I think it's worth trying. Thanks for watching.